All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, March 27th. Ended the day with one break-even trade, which is the dumbest trade. You guys are going to roast me so hard in the comments. Like, dude, how is this a break-even trade? And I'll kind of run through what I was thinking. So, yeah, let's jump into the charts. Ending the week in the green, heavy in the green, coming off of 2 winning days and a really good month. So, I'm stoked for April. Let's freaking get it. Okay, so coming into the charts today, I did not have a bias, all right? I did not have a bias because we had this super aggressive move down like overnight. So I was like, dude, are we really just going to dump like the entire day after that like insane move like yesterday and then overnight? So I was like, you know what? I'm kind of expecting a reversal, but you can't go against a higher time frame bias here. Like it's very obviously bearish. Now we got a few good setups off market open. Okay, reversal short, continuation short. And I did not take either of those. I faded those. Why did I fade this reversal short? Okay, well, number one, we had a 15-minute unmitigated fair value gap right above, okay? And we had, I guess we had this high right here. I guess we took out these highs. This was a valid trade, okay? I was just waiting for that most external level to get swept, so I completely faded that reversal short. Next trade, which was valid, was a continuation short off of a 5-minute. Okay, why did I fade this? Well, it closed at my internal low. It closed below my internal low, which is against my rules because technically that's my break-even level. So, I was looking to enter a short here, but it just closed down too low. Okay, and this would have been a TP as well. But again, following my rules, it is what it is. Next trade I was looking to take, what was it? Faded this continuation short right here. I'm actually going to turn the indicator off. Faded this continuation short here. Was looking for another continuation short right here. After filling 50% of the 5-minute bearish fair value gap, we did have some lows here. And then we got a 1-minute inverse. Same exact thing happened. We literally closed below the internal structure low. So I faded that one. So now I'm like, all right, bro. Like I had 2 winning ideas and I just can't get an entry. Then I saw this. Okay, beautiful sweep of liquidity, took out these lows into a really nice inverse here and a break of structure. Okay, so I said, all right, guys, we're going long. So we long this, right? Looks like an A+ up. How can you possibly go break even on this trade? How is that even possible? Well, I was multitasking. I had some buddies at the house. I was reading the chat and I got distracted. Okay, I got distracted and I thought that I thought that this high right here, for some reason, on ES was this high right here. Like, I don't know why I thought that. I was just multitasking and I was just completely distracted. And it's on me, like, so stupid. So I'm like, okay, guys, shit, we're already sweeping the internal high. I'm just gonna move my stop to break even. Like as soon as this candle moved up right here, I moved my stop loss to break even. Boom. Stops break even, and I literally got wicked out at break even, and this one ended up running, which like probably would have been like max payouts on my Lucids, but it is what it is. Kind of just a stupid chud move by me, and yeah, so stupid. Like probably the dumbest trade I've done like ever in my life, but that's all right. Okay, so after that, what are we looking for? Bearish SMT delivering from a 1-hour fair value gap. Okay, so I'm like, okay, guys, we're gonna look for a short position here. No entry trigger. Again, very small bearish fair value gap. Again, would have played out. Just didn't see an entry trigger that I liked, so I faded that one. Next trade I was looking for was a short position off of this 1-hour bearish fair value gap. So I had like 7 trade ideas today, right? Okay, boom. 3-minute inverse. Okay, that's the highest time frame bullish gap in this leg that I'm waiting for price to inverse. And it closed all the way at the internal low, so I did not take this trade. Super frustrating day. Holy shit, dude. Like, should realistically be up like 10R today, like based on my trade idea, but just executing was a pain in my ass. And end of the day, break even. It is what it is. Sometimes markets like this, especially on a Friday, I want to preserve capital. I was going to go half risk on all these trades anyway because we had a really nice week. But I am dialed for the new month, guys. Let's freaking go. We're crushing. I got members crushing, new traders joining the group, literally becoming profitable, passing evals, getting fucking payouts. Bro, we are absolutely crushing right now. So we're going to keep the momentum going. Not losing is still a form of a win in my book. So we'll take this day. We'll learn from it. We're going to not be distracted by a bunch of bullshit and miss a freaking A+ setup. But it is what it is. So, yep, that was a trade recap for today. I will see you guys on Monday.